Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. So, a new wearable from Samsung in the form of the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Samsung first teased the device at the Galaxy Unpacked 2024 event in January, and now we've actually seen the Galaxy Ring in person ahead of what is likely to be a potential July launch date. It's looking like the Galaxy Ring will sport an ECG sensor, monitor your blood flow, and be available in multiple varieties. Expect strong tie-ins to Samsung Health, the company's health tracking initiative. When the Galaxy Ring finally arrives, it could prove to be a major competitor to the best fitness tracking rings on the market, the Oura Ring and others. Then again, the fresh competition is at least partially embraced. We don't have any indications of how much the Samsung Galaxy Ring would cost, but we can take some educated guesses based on the price of other smart rings currently on the market. The Galaxy Ring's presumptive competitor, the Oura Ring, costs $299. Other smart rings, such as the Circular Pro 1, costs $410, and the Ultrahuman Ring Air comes in at $349. With those in mind, we'd be surprised if the Galaxy Ring cost more than $300. Well-known leaker Yogesh Brar pegs the cost of the Galaxy Ring at between $300 and $350. For what it's worth, we keep our hands crossed ahead of the launch. That is it guys, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.